Hi friends, this is Joseph Thambi. In this video, I'd like to explain to you when do we pronounce THE an article the in a sentence, when do we pronounce the article THE the in a sentence. Let us see. For example, take a sentence. I bought the pen yesterday. Here in a sentence I have said or I have pronounced the pen because the word pen started with a consonant letter. That's why you have to say the in a sentence. Take another example. I went to the party. I went to the party. In this sentence also, I pronounced the party because the word party started with a consonant. So what I wanted to say to you is, when the word starts with a consonant, you will have to say or you will have to pronounce the in a sentence. Let us see about the. When the word starts with an vowel, for example, example. So here we'll have to say the example. Take another word, earth. And here we'll have to say or we'll have to pronounce the earth. Let's see another sentence, actor. And here we'll have to pronounce the actor because these words started with a vowel. So what I would like to explain to you or what I would like to say to you in this video is, if the word starts with a consonant, we have to pronounce the. When the word starts with a vowel, we'll have to pronounce the. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, share it and subscribe it. Thank you very much.